welcome to Zhong Di. Hi, today let me introduce you our patent material CAPPE. It is a new material that we have the patent, and it is very light. You see this, my finger? Yes, it is light and waterproof. You see it is, and you can have the 3D designs. You see, yes, it is not flat, it is with 3D effect. Now when you see this, it is more, hello, welcome. And you see, it can come back. Not so quickly, but it will be come back. And let me show you. Yes, you see, no proof. Yes, no mark. And it will be returned. And for the monkey, you see they have 2 ears. It is rubber, and for the inside, there is mesh pocket with the zipper and a zipper portion. Yes, there is a very big pocket thing, so you can put a lot of things inside. And this, the red buckle and the red elastic.